Hi everybody in YouTube land, this is Gully. Okay, you got an ignition coil, stop running. I had a couple days I had it running, now it stopped running. That could be bad, or it could be going bad. So I ordered a cheap one of these for the snowblower. Um, Another issue was a key. It snapped the key. I don't know if it broke when I was taking the flywheel off again and inspect it or not. But it's broken. So I gotta order another key for this. I gotta look up the key. Oh, always something. One step ahead, two steps back. And on that, got the guy that puts them together. I don't know if there's supposed to be a resistance between the two. Those are the AC and DC. Or this is the AC. Okay, the black ground. And you have the positive coming in. It's supposed to be AC, and it's supposed to convert it to DC over here. These two, where I got the fuses. But I don't know if it's supposed to have resistance or not. So, if anybody has a clue, see, that was another thing that wasn't working, is the light. So I might even wire it straight, who knows. But anyhow, I'm gonna do some homework. Alright, it's kinda early in the morning. Playing around. I gotta wrap it up. We got some heavy rain coming. I got up front, there's a hurricane that's out to sea. And we're just gonna get probably the edge of some outer clouds coming from another front. Some places are gonna get up 3 inches way up further west of Maine. Alrighty. Clouds starting to get cloudy, so I'm gonna have to wrap this up, get it ready for rain. Alright, this is Pat